familiar with the cat distribution system? Because apparently they make it for dogs. This dog is longer than that crate and taller than that crate, because that is this dog's crate. He's half the size. He's got to be a quarter of the size, actually. But do you see reactive Riker? Not freaking out. So let me tell you a story. Go to look out my back window, which is like my patio sliding doors, and there's a whole dog on my patio. That's exactly how upset I was, Riker. I thought somebody had dumped a dog on my patio. I'm on the first level. And so I was livid. Riker is actually not freaking out that much. He keeps wanting to go smell him. I kind of introduced him, but I don't really want him close because I don't know what that dog has. That dog smells like he's been rolling in manure. And he feels that way too. So we did a lot of hand washing. He doesn't even fit. But this is the best we can come up with. As you can see, he's a very skinny boy. I gave him just a quarter cup of food and some water. I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to make him sick. Honestly, like, he's a very sweet boy. He's got to be so young. He looks like he's fixed. I mean, look, can we look at that face? Ugh. To keep a dog, I would, but I can't. So we're all gonna watch TV. Riker's gonna stay on the couch with me. We're just gonna act like we're a family that lives on a manure patch. After talking to my neighbors, I found out this dog actually jumped over that patio. That was my patio. He jumped in there willingly himself. They saw him running through the apartment area and then he jumped up. So I took him on a walk. That's his paw print. He's a big boy. It's hard to tell. I'm trying to show some size comparisons here. Sitting, he's as tall as my doorknob. The night he found me, I was also on Facebook groups trying to post anywhere I could find that might get me to his owner. And there was a woman in a shepherd group who donated a larger cage and some treats and toys for him, which was really helpful for us. So he rides really well in a car, as you can see. We're heading to a vet right now to get him scanned. I've already called animal control, but they're a few days out. I just really hope I can find his owner. I wish I could keep this dog. He's incredibly sweet. He's incredibly dirty. But he's so well-mannered, and he does so well with commands. You can tell he knows a handful of things already. So here's hoping we can find his owner. Okay, the vet was like, good news, not great news. I found out his name. His name is Ash. So he does have a microchip, but he has no owners registered to him. And he just turned over a year old. He'll have a vet clinic associated with him, but they're not open until tomorrow. So he is quite literally the epitome of stinking cute. Like, even the vet tech was like, he smells bad. Because I'm pretty sure he's rolled around in literal shit. Like, if you touch him, he feels very gross. And he certainly smells gross. Like a cow pasture. If you've ever been around dried cow manure, I feel like that's what he might have rolled in. Also, interestingly enough, I'm in Phoenix and the vet's office is in Surprise, so it's a long way from that place, all things considered, for a dog. So we're taking him to get a bath, and then we'll just take it from there. He continued to be such a good boy during the multiple washings I had to do, and even this torturous dryer, and he came out as such a handsome boy. Come on, Fluffy. All right, the good boy is washed. He did very, very well. He feels not so sticky and gross, and he smells a lot better. Come here. Come here, Ash. He's not really responding too much to his name, but he did pretty good. Look at how cute his face is. He's a good boy. Yes, and now we can cuddle him because he's not covered in poops. Hi, buddy. Oh my God, he's got so much fur. Okay, we found his owner. We are gonna drop this. We're gonna drop him off to his owner. It's a long story, but he is love. And he's full of energy. Oh my. He is a sweet boy. I will miss him. I think Riker will too. But I'm glad he's gonna get his home back. I'm not crying. It's totally fine. Daddy's back with his owners. He's a sweet boy. It's a good ending.